Dress like a queen. Plus size edition. Hey everyone, it's your girl, PH, and let's talk fashion. We're diving into a topic that's near and dear to my heart. Dresses that make you feel like the queen you are no matter your size. That's right, this one is for my curvy queens out there. We're going to break down the best dress styles for every occasion, from those Monday morning meetings to those Saturday night parties. Get ready to embrace your curves and rock those dresses with confidence. Because trust me, when you feel good, you look good, no matter what. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fashion tips and inspiration. Let's talk about conquering the work week in style. And ladies, nothing says I'm here to slay the day like a classic A-line dress. This silhouette is a true miracle worker. It cinches right at your waist, highlighting those beautiful curves, and then flares out, creating a long, flowing line that is super flattering. Think of it like this. The A-line is like your work bestie, always there to make you look and feel amazing. Plus, it's so versatile. You can dress it up for a big presentation with a tailored blazer and heels, or keep it more relaxed for those casual Fridays with a cute cardigan and flats. And here's a little secret. Don't be afraid to play with different colors and patterns. A bold print or a pop of color can really brighten up your workday and show off your personality. The key is to choose something that makes you feel confident and ready to tackle anything. Remember, confidence is the best accessory. So, rock that A-line, own your power, and show the world what you're made of. All right, it's time to ditch the workwear and slip into something a little more fun. When it comes to parties, whether it's a birthday bash, a girls' night out, or a hot date, the wrap dress is your secret weapon. Why do I love wrap dresses? Oh, let me count the ways. First of all, they are universally flattering. The way the fabric wraps around your curves creates this amazing hourglass shape, no matter your body type. And the best part is, they are crazy comfortable. You can dance the night away without feeling restricted, which is essential for a night out on the town. Trust me, I've tested it out on the dance floor myself. And just like the A-line, you can dress it up or down. Go for a silky, flowy fabric with some heels for a more glamorous vibe, or rock a fun print with some cute sandals for a more casual feel. The possibilities are endless. Wedding bells. Embrace your inner goddess. Weddings. It's time to celebrate love. And what better way to do it than in a dress that makes you feel absolutely radiant? For weddings, especially if you're a guest and want to look and feel your absolute best, I highly recommend considering an empire waist dress. Now, the empire waist is all about elegance. It cinches right under the bust, which is super flattering for all bust sizes, and then flows gracefully down, creating this beautiful, elongated silhouette. It's romantic, it's sophisticated, and it's perfect for those picture-perfect moments. And let's be real, who doesn't want to feel like a goddess at a wedding? Plus, empire waist dresses come in so many different styles, fabrics, and colors. You can find one that perfectly matches your personal style and the wedding's dress code. Whether you prefer a flowy chiffon, a luxurious satin, or a romantic lace, there's an empire waist dress out there waiting to make you shine on that special day. Casual chic, effortless style with maxi dresses. Okay, let's be real, we can't live in party dresses and wedding gowns all the time, although wouldn't that be amazing? For those chill days, running errands, grabbing coffee with friends, or just lounging around the house, the maxi dress is your go-to. Maxi dresses are like the sweatpants of dresses. Comfortable, easy to wear, and always stylish. But don't think for a second that they're boring. Maxi dresses come in endless styles, from boho chic to sleek and modern. You can find them in every color and print imaginable, so you can express your personality and mood through your outfit. And the best part? You can dress them up or down with just a few simple changes. Throw on a denim jacket and some sneakers for a casual daytime look, or add a belt, some statement jewelry, and heels for a more polished evening vibe. There you have it, my loves. A rundown of amazing dress styles to make you feel unstoppable no matter the occasion. Remember, the most important thing is to choose clothes that make you feel good. When you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin, that inner radiance shines through, and you can truly own any room you walk into. So, embrace your curves, experiment with different styles, and find those go-to dresses that make you feel like the queen you are. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fashion tips and tricks. See you next time.